Now what is the next set of master database we are planning? Product subcategory, again both attribute and text again. So let me find out what is the infobit name for this.
So we have to create this Excel sheet for us.
Better. If you remember names, it's fine. Product subcategory. Does it have attribute table and text table? Text table only with medium and language specific. And attribute is only one. Product category key. Let me open again subcategory. Even does this file give the text and attributes in single file? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this column and this column for attribute, and this column has to go into text first. Now I think you should be comfortable in doing this. Now let me convert this as what? I can go with what? Product subcategory. Attribute, create transformations, data source. And the description is not mapped here. Yeah? Text again. So will it have single data source? Sorry, single info package. Then DTP for attribute. Yeah. If I go to maintain master data, I should see that data. Subcategory, product sub. If you go down, why is this not filled? Subcategory key, why is this 0? I want to see data source in the manager. Subcategory is there is value, right? Then why does it become 0 there? You see that's not coming up. In the target it is taken as 1. So what? Char, and here it is numc. How did I take it as numc? It's 3 here, right? Source is 3, but here it's 1. Okay. When I change my data source, all my transformations have to be reactivated, DTPs have to be reactivated. I need to delete this request out. Let me just run this out. Then running the DTPs. Then maintain master data. Now we have the values. Okay. Done. So this is about loading subcategory, and they'll have SID is also generated. All that's normal. What is the next table? Text table for product category. Product, I think it's subcategory, I think, right? Did you load something in subcategory? Yeah. This is product category, but not subcategory. Product. There's two things: product subcategory and a product category. This product category. So this will have only a text. So this has got only the text table. So let's go to provider. Insert characteristic as info provider. Let's see the file. Product category. Just the name and the description. They are just mapping it to medium. Eh? So go to the data source. What data source is? Text. Product category, number of headers to be noted is 1, CSV file, semicolon, proposal, get the file closed, load sample data, that's it. What is the next step was? Not, it's product key text. Key to key, this to description and language constant. Done. Next is what? DTP. Is it one DTP or two DTPs here? Single target, one DTP. See, any target will any DTP will any data source will an info packet. So number of info depends on data sources. Number of DTPs depends on targets. Why there is an error? Duplicate data required. I think I have
Delete it.
Category 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? I don't know. Record 1, 0. Three here and 1, so that's a problem. Say 1. I'll have to activate what? Transformations. Let activate DTP. I can delete the bad request first, what is loaded. Because actually, you understand what is the problem? Source is of length 3, so it is taking 0, 0, 1. And the target is 1 length, so first 0 is going. So for all the records it is saying 0, 0, 0, then it is giving us duplicate record. I think in the data source also I should do. So I am deleting this in the data source also. Run it again. Done bus. Customer attribute table, sales. I think. Tomorrow we'll do this.